Yo guys, ebe le gore ebe kate ke ma Vima Mpizima bana post a message you a post this post ya how do you caption ile bona ya rest well my brother Malume Victor rest well my brother Malume Victor Spalapala Sahamaruti had organized to do a song together and you agreed. I don't know why I took so long to do it. Now you're gone. RIP. May God send you. May God see you, see your family, friends and fans though. Ntse go ntse le gore kana o postile isa tsenye di photos yana gore ba tswana e ba reng ba ya ko comment section ngwana gona ha le yela ba thazela v ma bane ke ile mathata ela mabane mona yana gore go ntse le via bona gore mana kana this people kana na ke tsurwa ntwa itse ba re gacha evidence ke nya evidence ra e bona ke na ke bona evidence ke ya friend you good gore ke sephala na bua le Malume Victor I'm great ke shapo a feature with Vima Mpizi anytime perfect I'll never back to you I'll revert back to you. Do you prefer we send you a bit or you send yours? Anyhow it can work and don't worry I'm versatile I can even jump on his style. Utseba ke nna akere wena you are a dog. Okay, got it. I'll take over and communicate with you. Okay, no problem at all. Ya busupira bo bona review am bizera re le bogoro bo utise busupira danki ba go tswana go lo kotseng le ga nte ke se ka tsena kganyete ga ba ntasela maresh itse le sola ga Malume Victor guys it's rush it's said in the music industry guys go said it total like go said the peanut tota tse di bogale tota what he did for the peanuts for the Sotho people for the Sotho music industry is very big guys and for the artists that officially tota go ba tsentse tota mo industry ba bangwe. It's a very sad thing where he passed away since the so le hetsi dipina tse dingwe because le go bia gore other songs were on the way tsena di recordile and so re drop ya ke tsore ka August kana ke le